Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to redeem codes in Evony. Redeeming your game codes on Evony is quite easy, so let's get started without further ado. Simply load up your game and after you are done with it, simply go ahead and open your Evony game and make sure that you are inside the game. After you are in this page, tap on the three dots located on the bottom right hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on Settings. Under the Settings option, tap on Redeem. Input your redemption code in the text box. After typing in your code, tap on the Confirm button and enjoy your rewards. That is how easy it is to go ahead and redeem your code on Evony. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.